Hi, it's Kerry. I've got some retired animals today. This lion first appeared in 1997. A pride consists of several generations of lionesses, some of which are related, a smaller number of breeding males and their cubs. Numbers of lions varies between 4 and 37. Please share my video, it really helps. A 2008 lion. Each pride has a well-defined territory consisting of a core area that is strictly defended against intruding lions and a fringe area where some overlap is tolerated. Both lionesses come from 2008. Some prides have been known to use the same territory for decades, passing the area on between females. Lions proclaim their territory by roaring and by scent marking. Their distinctive roar is generally delivered in the evening before a night's hunting and again before getting up at dawn. Males also proclaim their presence by urinating on bushes, trees, or simply on the ground, leaving a pungent scent behind. Defecation and rubbing against bushes leave different scent markings. The 2008 white tiger and cub tigers, not all of them true albinos, have occurred from time to time, almost all of them in India. Black tigers have been reported less frequently from the dense forests of Myanmar, Bangladesh and eastern India. The adult tigers are from 2004 and the cub from 2001. As solitary animals, tigers establish and maintain their own territories. Spacing between individuals and maintenance of territories are achieved through vocalization, scrapings on the ground, claw marking of trees, and fecal deposits, scent deposited by the rubbing of facial glands and spraying of urine mixed with scent secreted from anal glands. This cheetah is from 1998. The cheetah was common throughout North America, Europe and Asia until the end of the last ice age, about 11,700 years ago, a time coincident to when large numbers of mammals disappeared throughout the northern hemisphere. The new safari king vulture. The king vulture is the most colourful vulture. Their wingspan is about 2 meters or 6 feet. A 2012 pelican. Pelicans are distinguished by their large elastic throat pouches. They use their throat pouch as a dip net to catch fish. The pouch is not used to store the fish, which are swallowed immediately. The 2007 okapi. The eyes and ears of both sexes are large and the tongue is long and prehensile. The male has short horns that are completely covered by skin except for the tips. 2005 bison calf. Bison live in small groups or bands whose basic unit is one or more females and several generations of their offspring. Adult males live on the band's periphery or form their own small groups. I mainly found these big cats and wild animals on eBay in Australia. subscribe and like if you like wild animals. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.